It's indeed a great privilege for me to be here. I've been watching this carnival grow from strength to strength. This is perhaps the fourth year that we're having it here. When we planned, I was the MD of APIC at that point. You came and said that we have a proposal to set up a trade show for ourselves. Would you support us? That's how we got involved and we sponsored that show. And that was the time when COE was interacting with APIC to have a dedicated cluster for its members. We identified a couple of areas. Initially, we had allotted 30 acres of land near Tupran for an automotive cluster. I'm happy to note that it has been now approved by Government of India as a recognized cluster under the IID scheme. You will be getting an assistance of nearly 10 crores or more than that for the infrastructure development in that cluster, for internal infrastructure. Very soon you will have number of about 20-25 automotive component manufacturers coming up there, creating employment. The women in the field of enterprise have really done well in the last decade or so. We have examples of Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw in biotechnology. We have the example of Swati Piramal. We have the example of Indira Nui as an executive abroad. If you people make up your mind that we have to be in this field, there is no stopping you. In fact, I have noticed that women entrepreneurs go the extra mile to prove that they can also do it. That's where we had the confidence that when we allot the area to women entrepreneurs, they will make a success of it. The kind of commitment, the kind of dedication you showed, every small issue, I distinctly remember how to protect the land from encroachment, the way they fought with the people there who were trying to grab part of the land, and they built up the compound wall around that area. The kind of involvement that you show is rare among other industries, and if you come at the cluster, no one can really beat you. The world is yours. That's where government has recognized this. Maybe ours is the first government to provide an additional incentive of 5% to the women entrepreneurs in terms of investment subsidy. If it happens to be an SC/ST woman, it's another 5%. So roughly about 40% of investment subsidy comes to an SC/ST woman entrepreneur. General women, it will be about 25%. So this works out to about 50 lakhs as an investment subsidy, maximum limit of 50 lakhs. If it happens to be an SC/ST woman entrepreneur, which is a substantial amount to start a business. So there are many areas where you can focus on. You can look at options of food processing clusters elsewhere, not only in Hyderabad. You were looking for some cluster in Hyderabad, but you can see other parts of India, other parts of the state. I'm happy to note that you're also starting a branch in Delhi. It'll help you to network with the marketing agencies to market your product more effectively. You now have the support of the European Union working with you. Dr. Hannah from the East London University will give you the international networking ability to provide a platform for marketing and for incubation. All in all, it is the commitment that will see you through. These kind of trade shows, they provide a platform to showcase that you have done. I remember how Mrs. Gurkha, when she started the unit in Jadcherla, we had a green industrial park. She with her son came to me, said that I want this piece of land and I will see that this industry is set up within a short period of time. She followed it up so vigorously, and now I am happy to see that the unit is ready there in Jadcherla. They are producing cables, a company called Thermo Cables. She wants to have a similar product elsewhere. That is the level of commitment that they show. They literally fight for every small thing. That is why you are more successful than perhaps the men entrepreneurs, because you know you have to prove. Still, all said and done, it still remains a man's world, but the days are numbered. Men's days are numbered. So you are coming in a big way. So we welcome you. We all men are happy that you have come in a big way. And we welcome you in this field of enterprise, and you can add a lot of value to the industrial growth of the state. I wish you all the very best, and I wish this trade carnival all success. Thank you very much.